Fashion is a powerful tool for self-expression, and for tall crossdressers, it can also be a way to embrace and celebrate one's height. While being tall can present some unique challenges in finding the right clothes and feeling confident in them, it also offers incredible opportunities to stand out and make a bold fashion statement. This video will explore a range of tips and advice to help tall crossdressers find their perfect style, from embracing their height to accessorizing wisely. The first and most important tip for tall crossdressers is to embrace your height. Confidence is the key to looking and feeling great, regardless of your height. Tall individuals often have an imposing presence, and learning to carry yourself with grace and poise can make all the difference. Confidence is key. Confidence begins with mindset. Recognize that your height is a unique feature that can enhance your overall appearance. Walking tall and proud, with good posture, can help you exude elegance and femininity. Many tall women, both cisgender and transgender, are celebrated for their statuesque appearance. Think of supermodels like Naomi Campbell or Andrea Pejic, who use their height to their advantage. When you embrace your height, it becomes an asset rather than something to hide. Confidence is not just about how you look. It's about how you feel. When you feel good about yourself, it shows in your body language, making you appear more attractive and stylish. Highlighting your best features. One of the great things about being tall is that it allows you to create long, lean lines with your clothing choices. By selecting outfits that highlight your best features, you can draw attention to the parts of your body that you love the most. For instance, if you have long legs, consider wearing high-waisted skirts or pants that emphasize your leg length. If you have a long neck, a V-neck or scoop neck top can elongate your torso and draw attention to your décolletage. Remember, fashion is about accentuating your strengths. When you focus on what makes you feel beautiful, you can create a look that is uniquely yours. Fashion is about self-expression, and one of the joys of crossdressing is the opportunity to experiment with different styles. As a tall crossdresser, you have the freedom to try a wide range of silhouettes and looks to see what works best for you. Playing with silhouettes. Tall individuals have the advantage of being able to pull off a variety of silhouettes that might not work as well on shorter frames. For example, align skirts, which flare out from the waist, can create a balanced look by adding volume to the lower half of your body. Wide leg pants can also be a great option, as they create a long, flowing line that complements your height. Fitted blouses and tops that cinch at the waist can help define your shape and prevent your outfit from overwhelming your frame. On the other hand, maxi dresses and long coats can enhance your height and create a dramatic, elegant silhouette. Layering for balance. Layering is another effective way to create balance in your outfits. By layering different pieces, you can add depth and dimension to your look, making it more visually interesting. For example, you could layer a fitted blazer over a blouse, or wear a long cardigan over a dress. This not only adds style to your outfit but also helps to balance your proportions. When layering, be mindful of the fabrics you choose. Lightweight fabrics work well for layering because they don't add bulk. Additionally, choosing complementary colors and textures can make your outfit look more cohesive and polished. For tall crossdressers who struggle to find clothes that fit properly, custom-made clothing can be a game-changer. Custom clothing allows you to have garments made to your exact measurements, ensuring a perfect fit and the opportunity to choose styles that flatter your body type. When off-the-rack isn't enough sometimes, no matter how hard you search, off-the-rack clothing just doesn't cut it. This is where custom-made clothing comes in. Custom-made pieces are tailored specifically to your body, taking into account your height, proportions, and personal style preferences. This means no more dealing with pants that are too short, sleeves that don't reach your wrists, or dresses that don't fit your torso properly. Custom clothing also allows you to be more creative with your wardrobe. You can choose fabrics, colors, and designs that you love, and work with a designer or seamstress to create unique pieces that reflect your personality. Finding a designer or seamstress. Finding a good designer or seamstress is crucial when it comes to custom-made clothing. Look for professionals who have experience working with the cross-dressing community, as they will have a better understanding of your needs and preferences. When communicating with your designer or seamstress, Be clear about what you want. Provide detailed measurements and discuss any specific concerns you have about fit or style. The more information you provide, the better the final product will be. Accessories can make or break an outfit, and for tall crossdressers, they can be used strategically to complement your height and add a finishing touch to your look. Choosing the right accessories can elevate your outfit and draw attention to your best features. For tall crossdressers, belts are a great accessory to define your waist and create an hourglass silhouette. Long necklaces can elongate your torso and add a touch of elegance to your look. Statement shoes, whether they're heels or flats, can also make a big impact and tie your outfit together. When choosing accessories, consider the scale. Larger accessories, such as oversized bags or chunky jewelry, can work well with your height and create a balanced look. However, be mindful not to overdo it. Sometimes, less is more. Footwear is an essential part of any outfit, and for tall crossdressers, it's important to choose shoes that not only look good but also feel good. Proportionate shoe styles. When choosing shoes, consider styles that complement your long legs. Ankle boots, for example, can create a nice break between your legs and feet, adding visual interest. Strappy sandals and pointed toe pumps can also elongate your legs and create a sleek, elegant look. Avoid shoes that are too chunky or heavy, as they can make your feet look disproportionately large. Instead, opt for shoes with clean lines and simple designs that complement your outfit without overpowering it. Color and pattern play a significant role in how an outfit looks and feels. For tall crossdressers, using color and pattern strategically can help create a balanced and flattering look. Finally, it's important to dress appropriately for the occasion. Whether you're dressing for a casual day out, a formal event, or a night on the town, your outfit should reflect the setting and make you feel comfortable and confident. Casual versus formal attire. For casual occasions, consider outfits that are comfortable yet stylish. A pair of well-fitting jeans, a tailored blouse, and flats can create a chic and effortless look. For formal events, a long dress or tailored suit can enhance your height and create a sophisticated appearance. When dressing for any occasion, keep in mind the importance of fit, proportion, and accessories. A well-put-together outfit can make a lasting impression and boost your confidence. Staying true to your style. Above all, the most important tip is to stay true to your style. Fashion is a form of self-expression, and your clothing choices should reflect your personality and make you feel good about yourself. Whether you prefer bold, statement-making outfits or simple, understated looks, the key is to choose pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable. Being a tall crossdresser comes with its own set of fashion challenges, but it also offers incredible opportunities to create unique and stylish looks. By embracing your height, finding the right fit, experimenting with styles, and accessorizing wisely, you can build a wardrobe that makes you feel confident and fabulous. Remember, fashion is all about self-expression, so have fun with it and let your personality shine through in your clothing choices. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.